Just as I was about to do my intro, that just happened. Alright, welcome back to the channel, E-Crew. On today's ride, we're doing about a 40-mile ride. We're heading to the meetup ride at Walnut. It's done by Mag Labs and hosted by Kevin. I think after I go to Walnut, we'll be going up and down Bonelli Park. And I believe he said there's going to be some off-roading trails today. Nothing too mountain bikey. I have my Stealth Bomber today. And yeah, let's see what kind of content we get. Again, we're riding to Walnut now. A little bit of street riding. Started at fully charged, so let's get it. I figure we'll bring a 72 volt 40 amp battery. Should be enough, and it should be a leisure ride for the most part once I meet up with the guys. Finally going some downhill, looking to get some of that regen, because we did just climb a big hill. Looks like I'm at 81 volts, and again we started at 84 volts. But we're pretty much in Walnut, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is Mount Sac. So, yeah, City of Walnut. I've been here before. So Mag Labs is like a place where you can kind of work on projects. It's like a warehouse that they allow. They give you a workshop place where you can provide you space and tools. I'll know more details when I get there. Kevin is the one that knows them more than I do. Alright, it's 3 p.m. This is the time that they said the meetup would be. Again, this is my first time here. My map is saying make a right. It's one of these warehouses on my right side. Okay, we're looking for a warehouse, and we're looking for e-bikers. Should be around my 11 o'clock, and I'm at 80 volts, so I lost a total of 4 volts getting here, 10 miles. maglaboratory.org, feel free to check them out. I hear they do really cool stuff. What's up, Kevin? Hey, guys. Alright, just in time.
What are these bikes called?
That is Stealth Bomber. One of the ones you can really customize.
That is.
Yeah, it's like the Hummer of e-bikes, you know? Got everyone here. It's about 3:30. For those that want to see my whip today, this is my Stealth Bomber with Volcano front forks, D&M rear shocks, 8K watt motor, 72 volt 40 amp battery, 100 amp, 150 amp it might even be, Savaton controller. That's what we got. We're about to do some 20-mile riding towards Bonelli Park. Let's get it. So I've been talking with Richard, the Mag Lab owners here. They pay a decent price on these warehouses. Trying to see if there's empty spots, so maybe I can, talk to their landlord and maybe get a unit here. Always wanted to start my own business, and having a storefront or a warehouse might be one of them as well. But yeah, definitely check out maglaboratory.org. It's like if you want to ever build something and you don't have the tools, they have everything from spot welding, art supplies, all kinds of things that you would need to possibly make an e-bike even. Alrighty, I'm sweeping the group. Again, there's 8 of us here, heading towards Bonelli Park. Never been this area. I guess we're in kind of city of Pomona right now. Very, very chill so far. We're going only about 14 miles per hour, only about 200 watts of power, if that. So this is good, because I'm going to be conserving a lot of my battery to get back home. I'm the only one that actually rode my bike to the meetup. Alright, we've reached Bonelli area. Climbing on up for some bluff views, I think. Just above the stables. That's where the jumps were, if I remember correctly, where the stables are. Alright. This is kind of the first time we've taken it kind of off-roading with, incline and declines. Let's see how the Stealth Bomber performs today. I've only taken it on flat, but today, finally, testing its capabilities a little bit more. But I probably have the heaviest bike. Ooh, berm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, hit that berm. Let's go, Stealth Bomber. It's like stopping a heavy-ass bike down this terrain. My sprocket is clanking. That's the only noise that I'm hearing. Even though I removed the chains already, because that was a regret. It was way too noisy. But now the sprocket is just making noise. At least the sprocket I chose is too noisy. I don't recommend it. So no pedaling whatsoever today. Just strictly throttling. Ooh, is it about to get technical? Okay, let's go down some technical downhill portions with my heavy ass Stealth Bomber bike. Well, I should put my PES down because I'm actually sliding out. I'm sliding out. I feel like my fork is way too soft. So it feels. I'm not as grippy on these road tires. So I almost went front end, like twice, almost, because these tires are just not gripping. I think my mistake was also just using the front brakes, when I should just be using mainly the rear brakes. Let's see how we do in this one. Don't use the front brakes, because my front brakes are just so strong. Look at this rut. Ooh, mamma mia. It's very possible, but I just don't want to ruin the bike. And yeah, I don't have proper tires. But that's fun. It's doable. With just better tires, in my opinion. Alright, here we go. Pavement areas. So ironically, this bike came from San Dimas. The owner lives here somewhere. The return home of this bike. I really hate my sprocket. That's the only noise that's clanking. I love this campground idea. I wish I had something like it. Alright, let's see where Kevin takes us next. More trail riding. That's cool. Just gotta remember to use my rear brakes. Ooh, muddy section. This is a pretty nice, shady leisure trail around this body of water here.
How heavy is your bike?
Oh no, I'm not lifting my bike. This is like 150 pounds.
Oh,
There's like a big dip on that side. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk my bike getting swallowed by that ditch. And I still have 79 volts. I'll definitely catch up with him. Plenty of battery here. My Google map is just telling me to go back. I'm trying to get it to reroute me out of here and somehow get across that body of water. That's all I really need to do. It's either the water or it's the airport field. At least here we get to see planes take off and land. But yeah, we're going across the airport really, because I'm not looking to wet this bike. At least not that deep. Could've, would've, should've. Give me an outlet. Give me an outlet. All right. Okay, I think I found them. Pretty much reconnected with the group. Hopefully that didn't take too long. Yep, at the gazebo. People are barbecuing it up. We went around the airport. It was
How many miles per hour were you going?
like 45.
Oh,
That motor alone is like 45 pounds.
couldn't help you at all.
Yeah. Just to let you know, Kevin, I might dip soon. Gotta catch the Laker game. Oh, game 3, we really need this game. It's a must-win for Lakers being down 0-2. All right, we're booking home early. Still have 75 volts on the battery. We're 9.2 miles away from home. And we're gonna motorbike our way home. Kind of going fast speeds. Let's get it. It's been a blast seeing the E-Bike buddies. I don't recommend this bike on mountain bike trails, by the way. That's what we found out today. And we kind of knew that already going in. It's not as agile as a Surron would be off-roading. But it's still a fun bike, nonetheless. That's going to be in today's vlog, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on your arielrider, Super73, or if you're more an off-road type of e-biker, check out the UNRL link for a DIY bafang kit. This is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.